My dear students, I am Dr. R.K. Singh, and now this time I am going to teach you the biology chapter. It is the second day which I am going to teach you the topics nutrients and the nutrition and what are the mode of nutrition. The first thing I would like to say that what is nutrition? The nutrition, it comes from the word of nutrients. That comes from the word nutrients. So, the definition of the nutrition is, it is the process by which the living being obtains the food for its growth, repair and maintenance of the body cell, its reproduction, and uses them as a source of energy. So this is the particular definition of the nutrition. So first of all, the nutrition comes from the word nutrients. Nutrients means portion. Nutrient elements, that is posak tattva. So the nutrition, it is the process by which the living being obtains the food for its growth, repair and maintenance of the body cell, its reproduction, and uses them as a source of energy. So this is the definition of the nutrition. Now come to the nutrients. Because nutrients are available in the food. The nutrient particles are available in the food. So, the nutrients, what is nutrients? The element occur in the food. The element occur in the food in the form of organic acid and inorganic compounds. This is called nutrients. What is nutrients? The element occur in the food in the form of organic acid and inorganic compounds. That is called nutrients. Definition of the food. What is food? Food we take inside the eatable material, that is called food. But in the vast form, food, it is the source of energy required by all living beings, found in the form of organic and inorganic elements such as carbohydrate, proteins, fats, minerals and the vitamins. So these things gives the source of energy. These things gives the energy which is taken by our body. So when we eat food, the food gives us energy like such foods. So food, it is the source of energy required by all living beings, found in the form of organic and inorganic elements. What are the inorganic elements? You have read in the chemistry also. So, such as the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins. This is called food. Thank you. Okay. Now you have read what is nutrients, what are the nutrition, and what is the food. Now come to what are the mode of nutrition. What are the mode of nutrition? So the mode of nutrition is mainly divided in the two parts. Number one is the autotrophic mode of nutrition and another is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. This autotrophic mode of nutrition further divided into two parts. Number one is called photosynthesis and number two is called the chemosynthesis. Whereas the heterotrophic nutrition is divided into three parts. Number one is called the saprophytic, Number 2 is called the parasitic, and number 3 is the holozoic nutrition. So, the heterotrophic nutrition divided into 3 parts. Number 1, saprophytic, next parasitic, and the last holozoic. Then, parasitic mode of nutrition further divided into 2 parts. Number 1 is the ectoplastic, ECTO, that is called ectoplastic, and number 2 is the endoparasite. Ectoparasite and endoparasite. So these ectoparasite and endoparasites are the substitute of the parasitic mode of nutrition. Whereas the holozoic mode of nutrition further divided into 5 parts. 5. Number 1 is the called herbivorous. Number 2, carnivorous. Number 3, omnivorous. Number 4, carrion feeder. And number 5, insectivorous. You may know the insects means kira. Insectivorous. Okay? So these are the mode of nutrition. You know that auto means self, khud. Those organisms or the organisms manufacture their food from the simple organic compounds is called autotrophic nutrition. You may call all the green plants, they prepare their own food in presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll taken by the carbon dioxide and water. This process is called photosynthesis, and the mode of nutrition is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Here I am saying those organisms which manufacture their food from the simple organic compound is called autotrophic nutrition, such as Euglena and some bacteria. It is in the lower form of the bacteria. This is called autotrophic nutrition. But when we read the photosynthesis, this definition may be vast. I will teach you in the later class. So the main autotrophic nutrition, the organisms manufacture their food from the simple organic compounds. That is called autotrophic nutrition, such as Euglena and some bacteria. Whereas, come to the photosynthesis. So all the green plants prepare their own food taken by the carbon dioxide and the water in presence of the chlorophyll by the help of the sunlight, that is called solar energy. So this is also autotrophic mode of nutrition, because all the green plants prepare their own food in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll taken by the carbon dioxide and water. What are the end product of photosynthesis? Whenever taken by the carbon dioxide and water, it changes into glucose, C6H12O6, and liberates oxygen and the water. So, the carbon dioxide and the water, when mixed, the end product is the glucose and the oxygen. And whenever we read in the respiration, the glucose break down in the carbon dioxide and the water. So, photosynthesis is the vice versa of the respiration. Or you may tell the photosynthesis is the reverse process of the respiration, whereas the respiration is the reverse process of the photosynthesis. Okay. After photosynthesis, come to the next point is chemosynthesis or chemosynthetic. Some non-green autotrophs like iron and sulfur bacteria. So some non-green autotrophs like iron and sulfur bacteria make use of the chemical energy during oxidation of simple organic compounds to prepare organic foods. is called chemosynthesis. So it is the process in which some non-green autotrophs like iron and sulfur bacteria. This iron and sulfur bacteria, it is non-green autotroph. It is autotrophs but non-green. So some non-green autotrophs like iron and sulfur bacteria make use of the chemical energy. वो chemical energy use करता है. During कब? During oxidation of the simple organic compounds. Simple organic compound को oxidation करता है, जिसके द्वारा वो organic food तैयार करता है. So this is called the chemosynthesis. Now come to the next, heterotrophic nutrition. The heterotrophic nutrition, the definition of this nutrition is the organism and the animal. Organism and the animal which cannot make their own food. This is the heterotrophic. They make their own food, that is called autotroph. They do not make their own food, that is called heterotroph. So some organisms and the animals which cannot make their own food itself, it does not prepare own food itself, but they obtain ready-made food from the plants and the animal deads. वो रेडीमेड फूड को प्लांट्स और एनिमल डेट से मरे हुए जीव जंतु से लेता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. ओके.